In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a booking website using Hostinger and WordPress. This is perfect if you run a service business like consulting, coaching, beauty services, fitness training, or any business where customers need to schedule appointments online. Instead of manually replying to messages and emails to book clients, your website will automatically handle bookings for you. The best part is, you can set this up in just a few minutes using a simple WordPress plugin. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your account details. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see a list of your hosting services and websites. From here, click on Websites to view all the websites connected to your hosting plan. Find the website where you want to add your booking system. Next to that website, click the button labeled WP Admin. This will automatically log you into your WordPress dashboard without needing to enter your password again. The WordPress dashboard is where you control everything on your website, including pages, themes, and plugins. Once you are inside the WordPress dashboard, the next step is to install a booking plugin. On the left side menu, hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New Plugin. This will open the WordPress plugin marketplace, where you can search for tools that add new features to your site. In the search bar at the top right, type Amelia Booking Plugin. Amelia is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly booking plugins for WordPress. It allows customers to view available time slots, choose services, and book appointments directly on your website. When you find the Amelia plugin in the results, click Install Now. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin enables it on your website, so you can start setting up your booking system. As soon as Amelia activates, you'll see a new menu appear in your WordPress dashboard. The plugin will usually guide you through an initial setup process. This setup helps you configure the main booking features for your website. First, you'll add the services you want customers to book. For example, if you run a salon, you might add services like haircut, hairstyling, or hair coloring. If you're a consultant, you might add services like 30-minute consultation or 1-hour strategy session. After creating your services, the next step is setting your availability schedule. This tells the booking system when you're available to accept appointments. You can set working days, working hours, and even add breaks if needed. This ensures customers can only book time slots that fit your schedule. You can also assign staff members if your business has multiple employees who handle appointments. Once the schedule is set, Amelia will automatically generate available booking slots for customers. Now that your services and schedule are ready, the final step is adding the booking form to your website. To do this, go to Pages inside your WordPress dashboard and either create a new page or edit an existing page where you want the booking system to appear. Inside the page editor, add the Amelia booking block or paste the booking shortcode provided by the plugin. Once the booking form appears on the page, click Publish or Update to make it live on your website. Now when visitors come to that page, they'll be able to select a service, choose a date and time, and book their appointment directly through your website. Your booking website is now fully functional. And that's how to create a booking website with Hostinger using WordPress. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.